Businessman Kudakwashi Tagwirei reported to be eyeing the president's faces major political hurdles after ZANU-PF spokesman Chris Mutsvangwa warned him to keep his ambitions in check. Sana pena mashoko news kumkonzi Tagwirei panguva ino aiwa ambitions ake ovharirwa pasi nana Mutsvangwa. Remember subscribe or like or turn the bell. Some senior ZANU-PF officials are reportedly lobbying for Tagwirei to be parachuted into the 300-member Central Committee in Politburo amid claims that he has President Mnangagwa's backing to succeed him. But Mutsvangwa, himself a presidential aspirant, says Tagwirei will face a challenge if his target is ZANU-PF's top job. Anybody is free to join ZANU-PF, whether you be a businessman, a farmer, a fisherman, or whatever. If certain provinces feel that person should become a Central Committee member and they send their recommendations, the party will consider those resolutions and will come out with an appropriate decision. Mutsvangwa told a news conference on Wednesday when asked directly about Tagwirei's ambitions. He continued, "What could be wrong is to say I'm getting into the party so that I become this or that post, that I become the president, because that is not the purpose of joining the party. The purpose of joining the party is to follow constitution of the party and see to it that when succession is done by votes, you comply with the tenets of that party." Mutsvangwa's reaction betrayed growing discomfort in ZANU-PF over the controversial millionaire tycoon growing influence in the party and his reported ambitions to be president. Mnangagwa and his powerful wife, Auxilia, are reportedly determined to stop Constantino Chiwenga as the deputy and many people's favorite to succeed him from assuming the presidency based on many calculations, including apprehension that he will crack down on their dodgy business allies once he takes power. Right now, mune power plays are waiting on the ruling party ZANU-PF. Tudze mafunguro enyu mutkudipa msoro pichitko ichikenda kwa message medu za mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.